Ayan. Kana. Lala. Kana. Sige. Laban. Mine, screenshot, madam. 26 to 30. Length is 39. Okay, madam. Next na, madam.
Down this one
Okay
for
na, no?
only 149 pesos. Down 25 to 26. 25 to 26, 34 ang left, madam. Mine orange. Mine orange, madam. 25 to 26. 34 ang left. Mine orange for only 149 pesos. Mine orange next na, madam.
Mayan, orange. Dang guwapa kay ni madam. Mura siya branded. Madam Aisa Lausa. Yours is screenshot, madam Aisa. Please ka screenshot, madam Aisa. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, madam Alan Baligwat. Next na, madam. For only 149 pesos. Guwapa kay ito, dam. Perfect dito pang office, madam. Dam, okay ra tong angle. Mura jibi siya, madam, no? Saglit lang, dam, ha? For a while lang, dam. Kana, madam. Ayan, wait lang, dam, ha? Saglit lang, dam, ha? Struggle ang ano, dam, uy? Angle sa lower. Okay, madam, next item po tayo, dam. Eto, dam, 10 over 10 ang pagka-black. O, trouser pants. Saglit lang. Daghan ka nasa ko sleeveless, di naman ako ihatag. Charis. Okay, madam. O, dam, garterize ang likod. Waistline is 30 to 33. O, dam, trouser pants. Waistline is 30 to 33. Length is 41. Pang 5'4 to 5'5 na height. Mine heels. Mine heels, madam. 30 to 33. Length is 41. Mine heels for only 149 pesos. Mine heels, trouser pants, madam. Waistline is 30 to 33. Length is 41. Pang 5'4 to 5'5 na height. Next naman, madam.
Mine heels. Down this one, 25 to 32. 25 to 32 waistline, 37 ang length. Mine pang 5'1 na height. Mine square. Mine square, madam, for only 149 pesos. 25 to 32 ang waistline, 37 ang length. Mine
Square.
square. Next na, madam.
Mayan! Square. Ay, Madam Aisa. Perfect, Madam. Teaser ba yun ito, Madam? Adang, ay, ang cute. Nakagwapang. Ang pangutaan na asa ang size.
Sa likod.
Mas gapit. O, diba? Wait lang, Madam. Ayan, uy, gwapa. 26, 27. Ako agree, Madam. Ako ang size. O, Madam, best fit to 26, 27, dark blue. O, dark blue, Madam. 26, 27, length is 37. Pang 5 flat to 5'1 na height. Pwede mo siya 4'11, Madam. O, Madam, 26 to 27, dark blue, Madam. Length is 37. Pang 5 flat to 5'1 na height. Mayan, quintas. Mine quintas for only, siya parang belt, madam. Ayan, meron siyang parang belt. Mine quintas for only 149 pesos. 26 to 27, length is 37. Mine quintas, next time, madam.
Mine Quinta Square. Madam Apple Bali Balos. Yours is square. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Second minor, Madam Gracie Alberto. O, down 24 to 36. 24 to 36. 36 ang left. Pang 5 flat na height. Mine mirror. Mine mirror, Madam. 24 to 36 ang waistline. 36 ang left. Mine mirror. For only 149 pesos. Mine mirror. Mine mirror. Next na, Madam.
Madam Mary Gracie Bumit, yours na si Quintas. Ang ganda. Please ka screenshot, Madam Mary Grace. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second minor, Madam Mea Demilio. O, down this one, garterize. O, nahihigot sa front. For only ma-adjust ka siya down 28 to 38. Ayan. Wapa siya down ha. 28 to 38. Garterize, Madam. For only 149. Length is 38.5. Pang 5'2 to 5'3 na height. Adam, pang 5'2 to 5'3 na height. Waistline is 28 to 38. Mine bongga. Mine bongga. Wapa siya color down sage green. Mine bongga. 28 to 38. Length is 38.5. Pang 5'2 to 5'3 na height. Mine bongga. High waist. Madam Mary Grace. Sakto lang, madam. Mura siya midway. waist. Pero mura na sa siyang high waist, madam. Next na, madam.
Next, madam, that is 27 to 34. 27 to 34 waistline, 41 ang left, pang 5'5 na height. Mine darker. Mine darker, madam, 27 to 34 waistline. 41 ang left, madam. Mine darker. Mine darker for only 149 pesos. Mine darker. Garter rice. Next naman.
Okay, hello, Madam Kate Cas. Good afternoon, Madam Kate. Okay, Madam Kate. Ipa-check na ko ni admin now, Madam. Pa-check ko siya. Madam, naka-line color? Yes, Madam, nara, Madam. Riza. Kani daw? Madam, SL Mayanela. Yours na si. Yours na si Bongga, Madam. Please ko screenshot, Madam Cell. 123, second minor. Madam Alma Bertasio. Pero kung flex, gapon ni Black Dam, ha? Kasi maumang ganyan ato ang items, Madam. Sa gulo Black. Pero naaray laing colors. Madam, this one, 28 to 34. Madam, Garty Rice, Madam, wapo siya dam, 28 to 34, length is 41, pang 5'5 to 5'6 ang height. So again, Madam, 28 to 34, length is 41, Madam, pang 5'5 to 5'6 na height. Mayan, Japorms. Mine, Japorms, Madam, 28 to 34. Length is 41, pang 5'5 to 5'6. Mayan, Japorms, for only 149 pesos. Next na, Madam.
Mayan, Japorns. Down this one, 26 waistline. 26 waistline, madam. 34 length. Mayan. Mine sukod. Mine sukod, madam. 26 waistline. 34 length, madam. For only 149 pesos. Mine sukod. 26 waistline. 34 length. Mine sukod. Next na, madam.
Mayan, sukod. Uy, kagwapa. For only 149 pesos. Babay, sukod, Madam. Uy, Douglas one. Uy, kagwapa ng pagka-black trouser pants. Pwede siya, highway siya, Madam. For only 149 pesos, Garty Rice. 24 to 34. 24 to 34. Madam Mariza Alolod, yours na si Japorms, Madam Mariza. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next na, Madam, for only 149. 24 to 34. Garty Rice, Madam, ang likod. Length is 33 for 5 flat below na height. Dam, ano siya, Dam? Pwede niyo siya i-pedal, Madam, ha? So, 5 flat below na height, Madam. 24 to 34 na waistline. Mayan, hangak. Mayan, hangak, Madam, for only 149 pesos. Mayan, hangak, 24 to 34. Length is 33. Hangak, 149 pesos. Next naman.
Mine hang up down this one, 29. Waistline is 29, madam. Pwede lagyan ng belt for only 149 pesos. 38 ang left, pang 5'2 na height. Mine neutral. Mine neutral, madam, for only 149 pesos. Ano siya, madam, ang high waist?
Trouser.
29,
Trousers.
trouser, madam. 29 waistline, 38 ang left. Mine neutral. My neutral for only 149 pesos. Neutral. Next na, madam.
Hangak, Madam Go Samantha. Uy, gwapa ni Madam Go. Madam Go Samantha, yours na si Hangak. Madam Garty Rice ang likod. Please ka screenshot, Madam Go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Gwapa kaya si neutral. Trousers, Madam. Down this one for only. Uy, ang ganda. Ano siya inner? Wala siya inner. Down this one for only 149. 25 to 26, 34 length, Madam. So again, Madam, 25, 26 waistline. Length is 34, pang 5 flat below na height. Mayan Baler. Mine Baler, Madam, 149 pesos. 25 to 26, length is 34. Mayan Baler, 5 flat below na height for only 149. Next, Madam.